Hi, boys and girls. In Letterland today, we are going to go over the passage that you did the day before. Learning and Earning by Aubrey. So you were to choose the best vocabulary word to fit in the blank. Let's check our answers. Our class did a project called Learning and Earning. These were the steps we began with. 1. Choose a product that your class can make to sell. 2. Make one model or example of the product to try it out. 3. Write a slogan for your product, a few catchy words to help sell it. 4. Sell your product locally at a craft fair in your area. 5. Keep track of what you spend and what you earn. That way you can see if you made a profit. Even though we had class meetings frequently, almost every day, we could not agree on step number 1. Mason wanted to write the names of talented sports stars on t-shirts. Our teacher said that was not very honest and legally would not be allowed. Our final product was Allison's idea. We made bracelets from used plastic water bottles and ribbon. It even took us a long time to agree our slogan. Recycling looks good on you. We did make a profit of $24.73. It belongs to all of us. Our teacher gave us 2 choices. We can share it equally. The other choice is to buy something for the whole class. It may take forever to decide. Next, we're going to go over this little text and talk about context clues. So context clues are where you think about the meaning of the words in the text that you read when you have an unfamiliar word. So if this bold word original, if you're not sure what original means, you're going to use the other words around it to help you figure out what it means. So let's read it. 2 very nice things happened at the craft fair. We won a prize for the most original product. That was because we invented it, and because it was different from all the other crafts. For me, I was really happy we did this. At first, I was feeling shy and timid about talking to people at the craft fair, but after a while, I became much less timid and enjoyed it. So if you're not sure what original means, then some clues around here might be, let's see, we won a prize for the most original product. So we want to see what kind of product it was. So it was different from all the other crafts. So original might mean that they did it first before other people, that it was different to anyone else's, that it was unique. They were the ones that made it first. No one had one like it. So that's how you figure out what original means, looking at the other words around it. Good job. Let's see, the next bold word is timid. So if you're not sure what the word timid means, you would want to look around that word. So it says, at first I was feeling shy and timid about talking to people. What would make you, how would you feel if you had to talk to people and you're nervous? Maybe you're scared or fearful about doing it at first, but then it looks like after they got used to it, they were not as scared and enjoyed it. So that could be what the word timid means. Okay. Very good. So remember to use your context clues if you're unsure of what a word means when you're reading a text. The last thing we're going to do today is you're going to write. So what you're going to do is answer this question. Why is Learning and Earning a good title for the project that this class did. So think back to the passage you wrote, and you want to restate the question and complete this sentence. So you'll start with, learning and earning is a good title for the project the class did because, and I want you to answer this question. Please let your teachers know if you have any questions.